any day Ivany and Jakes fall out, you gonna hear with a different theory. Me don't even want some I can't wait because what? Me just know, so you just literally know the truth now and true you not like me, you always a switch your mouth. Your mouth soon switch back, so the mouth switch by you, and don't have no accountability. But no use, you know.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and as you can see upon the screen, internet sensation Ivany, yes, is on Rosalee's hit list because she just can't take the sight of her. People putting at the comment section, what do you think about that? Because a lot of people is, chastising Rosealee today for not taking no Christmas pictures with the family, her kids. You see, I say, but them say she over there so with Akeem and Daima and all of these people. You see, I say, who is really fake to her and just using her and these stuff. So Rosalie is letting the world know, say, yo, you people have the things twisted. You know what I mean? I she buy all of the gifts. You see, I say, Jake's not do nothing except just take some fake pictures to put up on not the gram, but on the tax. You see, I say, and Ivany need to worry about Howy. You see, I say, who nah do nothing for ice. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. These girls are really going low below the belt. But as you can see, Howy did make a post yesterday upon Ice's birthday and Christmas saying, I miss him and all of this stuff. Daddy, don't forget you, still love you, and all of these life stuff. You see, I say, because no child support, no gift, no present, no nothing no reach. Poor Ice and I'm 2 years age of stage. You see, I say, but nevertheless, Rosalee is addressing all of this mess. You see, I say, so let's hear what go on for that to go on and we proceed.
Yesterday Christmas did go on, and the people on the FYP start this morning. We had a few of them on the FYPs. And me hear the sad lady in a blood clot foreign say, Akeem a look one up pan Jakes because Akeem go buy phone knowing that Jakes buy phone. Akeem never knows that Jakes buy phone. Jakes don't buy the phone, Vani. I can't like it. I can't like Mr. God, I don't know, but I cannot like Ivany. I can't like her. I don't know why. I can't stand the blood clot girl. That's why sometimes when you talk about look on her, because what? You just come with things that make no sense. Ivany Jakes no buy the phone. Get nobody. I buy family by the phone game. Look like I'm birthday present. Jakes no buy the phone. You know, say the 2 old phone when me buy Jakes so long item I have used. Jakes no buy the phone. Jakes no buy the phone, that people buy the phone get the penny. That's why I want phone come. So when Akeem give me them phone, Chantal well and glad for fear one. Chantal over excited for fear one. Our people buy the phone get Jakes. Jakes stop spend money. I fuck Jakes will use the money and buy. Jakes buy blood clot for 400 get picnic. Sure. That's why I can't like her. I can't like her. You know why I can't like her? And out of everybody else on the net, I can't. Out of what everybody else say, when you say things the most, it pisses me off. I'm not going to condone my spirit because I'm not going to talk. Because it pissed me off. When other people say things, I just make it go on. You is a single pussy clot, mama. What did blood clot Howy give Ice for his birthday? What did Howy give Ice for Christmas? Your son have a deadbeat dad like what I have a deadbeat dad for my kids. We can relate. Him not spend the money on them girl. They feel like him going to poke buy phone and him not have none. Girl, get a hold of yourself. And the only reason I'm answer you because we are mad. I'm not answer no careless. I'm not answer any recti blood clot bait. I'm not answer recti bait. That's the only reason I'm not gonna diss you. I'm not have time for that. I'm gonna talk facts. Jakes now buy a phone for himself. When me and Jakes, them buy Jakes an Android and me buy Jakes an iPhone. And I ATM still I use. And one phone come. Is somebody buy a bar by the phone for his birthday. Chantal not get none. Oh, the person say, the next time she gonna buy one for me. He should not get none. And when you have 2 kids and you buy one, give one, trust me, the next one will feel left out. So Akeem feel a gap there. Let the people them. So I gonna feel left out. My brother get iPhone for Christmas and me not get nothing. So I gonna feel left out. Him don't buy shit. Him a buy nothing. If him not, if when I call the phone, the piece of iPhone him up, and I saw him have time here, see here. See, but hello. Yeah. Him not spend $100,000 to buy a phone. If him not buy it for himself and pick them in my buy it for, you don't know who JX is. Up to now. Just only care about himself, and that's why I'm not like with Uno on the net. I'm gonna tell you why I don't like them on the net. Them see I know the truth. But it's true, them not like you, them always twist the opposite. Twist it the opposite and say it the wrong way. And you know when them twist back them mouth, when them and any day Ivany and Jakes fall out, you gonna hear with a different theory. I don't even want some I can't wait because what? I just know, so you just literally know the truth now, and true you not like me, you always a switch your mouth. Your mouth soon switch back, so the mouth switch by you, and you don't have no accountability. But not use, you know. Because I have to ask my friend, are you buy your son the phone? He don't buy shit. If him spend 70,000 upon him picking that one, but the money him now buy a phone for 100,000. Sorry, Osh. And that's why I'm for class you all the time. I will come out to JX, shut your mouth because you got shame. Shut your mouth because you got shame. It's the same like Vanny comments, it's the same like you say, always stay as a JX stay. Don't kind of business a blood clot care. When me and you will take up, when you will take up ice and go buy the world game, and me will take up Chantal and Barbara and go buy the world game, them not do it. The two of our world not the same boat. Your life not far from me until me not sad like you. But the two we have two crosses before the one I look. The two we have 2 crosses before the one I look. It's only when I come on the net and cuss and class Jakes to see a result. You see him give you a result. Otherwise he don't care. So when I go talk, shut your mouth. You don't know nothing, you don't talk. Jakes not buy the phone, give a blood clap, and I'm family member buy it. Because if him not buy one for himself, I'm going to buy one get pitney. 100,000 for iPhone. And everybody want the latest. Down in the teens. When at 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Nobody now use 12 again. Because 12 outdated. They might go down. 13, 14, 15, and 16. Because 17 out. But buy phone. Don't buy shit. Because if you buy the phone, alright, so for instance, you buy a phone for your son, buy 2 phones, you have 2 kids. I could never buy 1 phone. I could never buy 1 phone. Where is the one up? Akeem never for buy the phone, give them Akeem never them father. You're supposed to enjoy and take care of kids. What the fuck? Where is the one up? Let I say this. Cause I click my live and have my viewership, I like to talk. It's Christmas. And Jakes wouldn't say him care when rent at Airbnb, 1 2-bedroom, buy a Christmas tree, decorate it, cook some food. I make one of your roach them, put it. Carry one of your roach them and put one of your roach them in a pyjama suit. Put them in a pyjama suit and put the present under the Christmas tree and make it look official. When you get your cousin them here and take 2 pictures and show up on your page, what that do? Where are the Christmas presents? Shanta back down, she asked me down for the phone and tell you look bad. Every minute she call, I want to see the phone, I want to see the phone, I want to see. Where's the phone? Where's the phone? She every minute. Put on 2 clothes and take 2 pictures for the media that doesn't say shit. And that everything I do all I want to miss out. Trying to live for the media. And what people will say. And if I didn't have my kids, I would be the worstest individual. If either have my kids in my position, I make them have a merry jolly Christmas. Because we eat yesterday and today we are got buzzers later. Carry them out. When them don't eat, mommy, me boring. Mommy, me boring. You don't care. You just took them to take the picture to post for the net. And I know this. So when I hear people that talk, man, shut your mouth. Shut your mouth. Me not argue with you. Cause me realize me not argue with you. For 2025, me not argue. 2026 coming, me not argue with you no. Shut your mouth. It's when they want to know things. It's when I got talk and a facts I got talk, then we got argue. Me not argue with you. Shut your mouth. You don't know shit. There's no one up here. When it comes after Akeem and Jakes, there's no one up. Jakes and them father, him supposed to entrust them HAPPY. No one up, no depend that. No one up, no there. When it come out to the kids, when I fight for who have rights and Akeem is not blood related to them none at all. Need one no one up no there. Him the bin tell me say tickers. No buy no phone, cause I say I go buy it. My phone, I pin them 2 phones for Christmas. Him say tickers, no buy no phone for them, I will buy it. Just don't talk. Where is the one up? Jake's no buy no phone, give him them and somebody buy it. Right now, Jake, sorry, him give the little boy the phone, cause him don't have none. You chat too much. And it pisses me off. Because what they don't know, and they just chat. When they don't know, they just chat. Just sad. Jakes are running always. Jakes now running always. Jakes are always the same thing, Vanny. Like how owner look per I see birthday. That's how Jakes are look per the pity them. It is a Jakes that draw 100,000. I spend 100,000 with pound one. Jakes now draw 200,000. I spend 100,000 pound one. I spend another 100,000 pound one for Christmas. I'm not doing it. Just sit down and think. Shut the fuck up. I'm not doing it. I'm not ask guys. I tell you no. I'm not doing it. The man that cater about fuck. I'm not doing it. Like what I'm like for sure. Make him show you the Christmas clothes and buy if you mute them. Like what I'm like show. Make him show you them. But I like to see them. Anything where you see get a sponsor. All the 2K them a smart by it. I mean them like nah spend. Me just know this man over the years. If I see this man like give one girl one money, he man like girl a fuck. Jakes a Lego and money so easy. And they say Jakes give one girl one money, man, a girl in a something. Jakes and let go of money so easy. Jakes now got the bank and say, alright then, me I buy 100,000 water close to that one there and 100,000 that water close to the next one. And buy 50,000 water boot for one and buy 50,000 water boot for one. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I mean, someone don't know what you think. Remember one of the time I did with Jake's chat. I made the one phone and just look at me and make me know say, him not buy me the phone because him not have none. So me know Jakes not buy the phone because him don't have none. The two phone number Jakes I use is me, Rosealee by them. Up to now. Up to now. The two phone number I use is me by them. Give him up to now. Him not spend the money buy nothing. I fuck him spend fee money and buy. Shut him out if you don't know blood clot nothing, man, and move and go away. Move. Whenever wind up with business phone on a blood clot. Spoil. Poor tap strat. Yeah. Never I go down in a detail with you.
Boy. People Jakes couldn't so wicked to the pit. You see, man, I say. But we just give you this quick update while I go on for to go on. You see me? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest. Bless.